Now new chapter is factors and multiples. This is chapter 5. So what is factor? Factors are the numbers by which given number can be divided is called factor. That means all those number by which a given number can be divided is called factors. Like I am taking 8 and 8 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, 8. So we can say that 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8 because by those number 8 can be divided. So those are the factors of 8. Now example I am taking like this can be explained. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. There is one row and 8 columns. So 8 into 1. That means what are the factors of 8? 1 and 8. And again how can we arrange in second method is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2 rows and 4 columns. 2 into 4. This can be also 8. 2 into 4, 8. So another factors are 2 and 4. So total factors are 1, 8, 2, 4. These are 4 factors of 8. And again next example is 12. So what are the factors of 12? That means what are the values by which 12 can be divided, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. That means by those values 12 can be divided. So all are the factors of 12. Now how can we find? Like I am taking firstly one row. So this can be right 1 into 12 because one row and 12 columns. And secondly how can we write? There are 2 rows and 6 columns. This can be written 2 into 6. 2 row and 6 columns. So this can be 2 into 6 or 6 into 2. So this is 1, 12. This is 2, 6. And anotherly we can write here it by 3 into 4. That means 3 row and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3 row and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So this is 3 into 4 also 12. 2 into 6 also 12 and 1 into 2 12 also 12. So these all are the factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. All are the factors of 12. That means all those number by which we can divide 12 are the factors of 12. Now common factors. The numbers those are common in given number is called common factors. That means we have 2 numbers and we have to find common factors. So firstly we will find the factors of both number, and now we will see what are the common numbers between them. Like I am taking 6 and 9. So firstly we will find factors of 6 and 9. So here what are the factors of 6? 1 and 6. And again what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. That means 1, 6, 2, 3 are the factors of 6. That means 6 can be divided by 1, 6, 2, 3. So this is the factor of 6. And what are the factors of 9? 1 into 9 and 3 into 3. 1, 9 and 3 are the factors of 9. So what are the common? Here is 1 is also common in 6 and 9 and 3 is also common in the factor of 6 and 9. So we can say that 1 and 3 are common factors of 6 and 9. That means common factors are generally the common numbers in the factors of the numbers. Okay. Thank you. Next topic is prime and composite number. So what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers that have only 2 factors. That means any number that have only 2 factors are called prime number, like 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. All those numbers have only 2 factors, like 2 can be divided by only 1 and 2. 5 can be divided only by 1 and 5. 7 can be divided by only 1 and 7. All those numbers have only 2 factors. So prime numbers are the number those have only 2 factors. And now what are the here is also something written that the number that is divisible by itself is called prime number. Okay, we can also say that 2 is divided by only 2, 5 is divided by only 5, and 7 is divided by only by 7. That means those numbers are also prime number that are divisible by only itself. Now next is, what are composite number? So the composite number are that number that have more than 2 factors. Okay, here in prime number only have 2 factor, and in composite number are those have more than 2 factors. And examples are 4 and 6. I am seeing here examples are 4 and 6 because 4 have 1, 2 and 4. That means 4 can be divided by 1, 2 and 4. This 4 have more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 factors. And 6 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 6. This also have more than 2 factors. There are total 4 factors of 6. So 4 and 6 are composite number because those both have more than 2 factors.